Why are video products important? Because they have a higher perceived value by your prospects and customers. Then if you choose, you can also repurpose the video by stripping out the audio and selling that as a product, as well as packaging the transcriptions into an ebook or breaking them up into articles and blog posts. You can go with an expensive model, but in the beginning I advocate saving your money and using a fairly decent camera that doesn't set you back several $100s. After all, what's truly important is the content of your videos, not that you have Hollywood quality film making. You can hunt your favorite office store and simply pick up an economical camera there. Or you can use the one built into your computer. It's much the same as for any product. Find out what your customers need and want and give them that and more. There is a myth among those who have never made a video that all you need to do is pick a topic, turn on the camera and start talking. But for most of us, you need to have a game plan before you start recording. Start with who you are and why they should listen to you on this topic. Are you an expert? Have you interviewed experts? Have you studied your topic? Whatever it is that makes you an authority, place it right up front at the beginning to build your listeners' confidence in you. Part 2 of this video is coming soon, so don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your loved ones. And if you are on Facebook, don't forget to follow us.